This is an opportunity for improvement. It's small, but over time, it adds up. There are bigger opportunities for improving productivity, better equipment, organized tools, employee morale. But once those are in place, closer inspection is required to find opportunities that may have been overlooked. Like with wiping and cleaning. If looking for a good rag is part of your cleaning routine, you're not cleaning. This is downtime. Switching from used rags to Tork cleaning cloths and a dispenser in the right place saves time you can use for production. How much time? How much time do you have? Tork cleaning cloths, always clean, consistent, and ready to work. Find out how these new, improved Tork cleaning cloths are helping customers spend less time cleaning so they can spend more time producing. Contact your Tork representative. Our understanding of your industry and the tasks that need to be done quickly and confidently has helped make Tork the #1 professional hygiene brand in the world.